stop. Alright, so, I did a video today in this makeup where I took my curlers out and I had some issues. So we're gonna try it again, and I'm gonna steam this puppy to an excessive degree. Don't you worry your head about that, I will. And I thought I could film it this time and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong. But I am just doing this, so for right now at least. One thing I didn't do last night that I need to do a better job of is making sure so my wig is the center part, not not my preference. My wig is the center part. I wonder if I could do. I could, but I kind of have a lot going on here. I just need to make sure that my hair is centered on this part so that we don't end up with curls flopping all over the place like I did this today. And I'm curling towards the face and kind of feel like it added a good bit of volume to it so that it it just worked better. We're gonna use the bigger curler on. I still have one of these big bad boys left. Not my favorite teeth, but it's fine. It's whatever. I don't need to use all the curlers. Away from the face. Buddy. One of the smaller ones, but I think I have a whole head's worth of smaller ones. My arms are already tired. I got a shot today, so my arms being tired is nothing probably to do with the experience of curling this wig. What I'm gonna do different this time, instead of just using the steam, I'm gonna steam it for longer, but I'm also going to, I don't know which direction I want to go. We're just gonna slap them in and you'll tell me what I did wrong. I'm really okay with being sloppy with this because of how little, like, I got a lot of volume, not a lot of curl. So I'm like, it's like, yeah, I'll believe that I'm gonna dive this if I actually see some results. But and this one ended up, this turned out a lot better than its sister did. But I ended up having to use 2 clips on these because this is where my failed cut bangs came from. Just kind of keeping them paired to the stuff. Bonk. Look at her. Look at her one emo sister. You can't even hold up. Look at her. Actually, that's probably the angle. But I'm gonna spray it with Got To Be Glued, which is like, I need texture. I think I'm gonna do it from a good bit of distance so that it's kind of got a little bit of it's got a little bit of like stay, like misting, like aerating it, but still getting that product on. Today I'm wearing the One Size spray, setting spray, and my skin looks better. Than it normally does. I was cooking. Well, I wasn't cooking. I was in the kitchen though. I don't, like, what do you consider cooking? Like, is everything done in a kitchen cooking? Or like, I didn't use a stove, so like I struggle to call that cooking. But I did use, you know, many a kitchen tool and a knife and a cutting board. I made pimento cheese. Hardly feels like cooking. Like, it's a couple of steps removed from just like a salad. crunch. Alright. Look at her. Look at her 75 miles away from her sister. I feel like I gotta go take her somewhere to go perform this right. I do have to take her somewhere. I'm not using Got to Be Glued in my filming setup, so I do have to go take her somewhere. But un momento. So like my theory is that like if I put this hairspray in and then steam it, and then the hot steamed air dries, you know, it's gonna be like goop. It's gonna be like goop. It's gonna be like, hey girl, it's gonna be like hot glue. I am going to be facilitating the use of a timer to try and make sure that it don't stop steaming too soon. This is just a garbage bag. I don't have any large gauge bags, so, you know, country girls make do. Oh God, it is trashy small town. Alright, the light is green, so I push the button, and I'm actually going to turn on a stopwatch. That way I can't fear tactics my way out of this and be like, it's gone long enough, and then it hasn't been going for like a minute. So we're going to shoot for like 10-15 minutes. At least 5. It's sticking to the bag, which it didn't do yesterday. Ooh. I can't wait when my friend asks me how'd I do it, for me to be like, I have video proof of every step I took. Her to be like, step 1, you fucking failed, my guy. Love you, bestie. Pair of jeans that fit just right. And on the radio. No! Refuse. I refuse to be burned. Ooh! Oh! She's fallen. Yeah. Check on that. You fell? No. I'm just gonna flop you. We are gonna turn it. It only went for 2 minutes before something went catastrophically wrong. Alright. Back into the Thunderdome. Please feel free to explain to me in the comments, what is the difference between this thing and a facial steamer? Is it like temperature? Like, does a facial steamer only get to a certain degree and thus it's safe for people face use? Or is it just like vibes? It's hot all over where the wig is, so I'm not worried about it not getting warm enough, so it's just a matter of time. Oh, this one's for you, Jules. This one's for you. I'm just scrolling through the TikTokies. If you want to tell me how your day's been going, feel free to talk to the camera. I'm listening. I would have done the same. Let's key his car. Let's key his car. Like, we are just in the dumbass beauty salon. I keep getting emails from hair companies. I don't ignore them because, like, hair was not my niche. Who knows? Maybe hair's my niche. It's not my niche. But we're about to have fun with bad, dumb science. Alright, we are 15 seconds away from 5 minutes. So... Woo! It is warm in there! And you might be thinking, yeah, I bet! I've never had the best common sense. I am exceedingly talented at being stupid. Alright, we'll do 5:30 because I did have to do what I did earlier. She came onto my pant. I have a desk mount, and when I took the wig cap off, it looked mighty suspicious. Like, never has more things made more sense than seeing that. Like, I understand the universe now. Alright, this is, dude, we're going till 6. We're going till 6. I don't know what this entails for us. I'm being honest, I'm frightened. But, like, if I did things that I was comfortable with all the time, I'd never do anything. I'm never comfortable. Alright, that's 6 minutes. It is so hot in that bag. Alright, ooh. Come here. Come here, bitch. Oh my god. We are just gonna leave our crab boil to finish steeping. And, you'll know tomorrow. You will know tomorrow. No. Oh, it is wet in here. It is wet. Get in there, bitch. Haven't undone any. Oh, it's so wet. Oh my god, I got a vaccine yesterday. I've been up since 7. I feel like ass garbage, man. Oh god. Oh, it's so wet in there. I don't know if I can even put this on my head. I did all this makeup just for me not to be able to put it on my head. I think it's fine. It's gotta be fine. Let's try and get a curl out. Start at the base. Oh, it has a... So I grip it and pull. Still nothing. I'm already wearing the makeup. We'll check back in if I come across anything of interest.
That was delightful.
Well, now, at the very
I'm
least.
gonna take this opportunity to clear my throat properly, since he's also clearing his throat.
My
Well, I'm
roots
satisfied
are
there no trace
just
of hair products or perfumes on Mr. Webb's
ratty
sofa.
now
Wait, what?
because of the.
Oh. Okay, I'm 12. Never mind.
Now I have
Oh no.
I've crunches in my wig.
Bailiff, take the defendant back to the infirmary at once.
And no throwing up in here.
Fresh. Hey, I love a plain old weedy udon dough, you know? It's fresh like my you don't like soda or fresh, it's about the three fresh in the show, but
Yeah, you've mentioned that before.
grind your seeds fresh, cut the dough fresh.
Okay, bye. Don't be shitting on udon either. Udon could be pretty good, although personally I do prefer soba over udon. I don't know. Sometimes them thick noodles go too hard. They too thick.
Good grief, what a defendant.
I know. This is still not the worst one we've ever had. That's the thing. At least Bucky wasn't the source of the perfume. Wait. Smelly perfume. It looks like you remembered something. Did you know, Simon? Did you know all the time? Probably did. The phrase smelly perfume reminded me of a certain somebody.
Oh? And who might that be?
Mm-hmm. There's only one person that comes to mind. The phrase smelly perfume reminded me of this person. It's Gato. Balloon artist and her master senior disciple. She's called performance under her belt. She's 34? Dang, isn't that like ancient in Ace Attorney?
Girl, let's go. We could be friends.
Is there anyone else here my age?
No. Oh well.
Dang, man, he's only 25. I always forget this shit. Wendo's older than him. This whole thing is a mindfuck when you look at their ages. I swear to God.
Gator Tornado. Yes, she did smell very nice, didn't she?
Just a moment's defense. You throw suspicion on Gator now because of a scent? Yes?
Throw suspicion on you if you were wearing it.
Your Honor, there is no need to go along with these ever-changing claims of the defense. Don't tell the judge what to do.
I suppose their claims have been awfully inconsistent.
At all, and I'm
Neither
blind.
the singer.
I appreciate the text though,
What?
G.
Like, you didn't find that
This is what the
funny?
guy
I
responsible.
did.
I was just lying like crazy. I'm gonna be
Anyway,
honest.
like, what
If I
exactly
can't be
is
happy,
Einstein?
no one can. Appreciate it though.
Seems the person
Anyway,
murdered
I just
Master
found that really
Tornado was
funny
wearing
because the fact
perfume.
that this man went
And you were
through
the only
my
person I
Instagram
could think
post
of
to
who wears
realize I
perfume.
actually have been to an event where Ice Spice
Well,
was
like,
at.
wait,
Like,
like, you mean I'm not
also, isn't it kind of ironic
Girl,
that
squeeze it.
William Ice Spice
Look,
Day
that'll get you out of many
and this
things.
man is trying
Might
to
even
frame
get you out of
questioning?
Gator, you knew about Owen, right? Well,
Freckles sent a
yeah,
girly
like, I
text
often
from a
think
guy
of him
about
as
me.
shows request. Okay,
So I
she
posted
did
this
know.
video of us that
Okay.
went viral on Instagram Reels.
Fun.
And then my
So
boyfriend
that means
sent
you
this
could have
text.
left that fake
Hey,
dying
I don't know
message,
exactly
right?
how to explain this, but in 2023 at an Ice Spice concert, I made out with a redhead girl, and I've just seen her on Reels, and I know
Girl,
for a
don't
fact
you
it was
cry
her.
now.
Looked at a few stories and saw she's had a boyfriend for years. Found your IG and just wanted my.
I am
We
so.
don't talk, I think we're fine.
Ugh. I really wanted to film today.
What price is he talking about?
It looks really pretty, and I technically did. I got this wig video done. Another fail.
Wait, can you even do that? I welcome it. I've got a condo lined up.
What happens
Except I
when
won't need
the person
to.
relying
The person who
on
murdered the victim was
aid
not
is
Mr.
actually
Webb.
dead and has
It was
heard of
Gator
it being
Tornado.
nobody
Oh,
likes them.
dang, girl, look at that
And
shit.
then
Hello?
well, they shouldn't have done crime.
Oh,
They should keep receiving care.
so
So like that
cute.
should be really clear, right? Like, it's very convoluted because people think, again, well, they should have done something bad if they wanted rent. The reason it gets very, very clear when people's
I knew you would
actions
mention
is
cooking. What were you making? Ma'am. What kind of extreme cooking were you
There's no
doing
way
to cut
you
yourself
can
on the
make lids
forehead?
well, they made a choice, and because of
Well,
the
I'm gonna suspect the poor little thing like
Oh, hey, that you got a letter that got forwarded to our apartment that I got mixed up in my
Please
mail.
stop trying to skirt the issue.
Yeah, it is
Also, show me your.
crunchy on top. So we can consider this one a fail. I'm gonna grab you and bring you over to my view. Every time I put on this outfit to film a very specific video, something happens and I can't. But you see, it's like it's softer. It's more limp than the version from yesterday was. Sorry, I'm getting so I can see. Yeah. bad news bears. This is a wig fail, but
Testify all you want. When the truth is revealed, it'll be your
but we learn together. And isn't that what I wanted to do? Now I want to take a nap.